My lashes on this side are always so ugly. Why? I almost dropped that palette. That would have been... Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I have a spooky video for you guys. It's not really spooky, but let's pretend it's spooky. Today I have a Halloween look for people who aren't really into Halloween, or maybe they don't really celebrate it. They don't like putting on costumes and do the whole makeup thing, and you know, there's a lot of cool makeup videos on Instagram and YouTube right now with extremely talented people doing extremely cool things on their faces. I'm not one of those people. I can't really do things on my face that aren't normal makeup, so I decided to explore that and create a Halloween look for you guys. So if you're someone who's not really into, you know, dressing up, but you still celebrate Halloween and you still want to feel like you fit in, this is a very easy look to do. We basically use 3 eyeshadows. It's all about the black lip. If you don't really have a black lipstick, you can use black eyeliner. It's fine. So yeah, it's a super easy video. I have my skull sweater that I bought last year for Halloween because I didn't really do anything, and yeah, if you want to know how to get this spooky look, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to start, I'm going to start off with my eyes. I've already done my base and my eyebrows, so we're going to start. I've already primed, and I'm going to be using my Inglot palette. I have a tiny palette with a few Inglot shadows, and I'm primarily going to be using these two right here and the white one. Wow, I kind of blanked out there, but yeah, I kind of want to resemble a candy corn. That's my inspiration for today, candy corn, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. So I just grabbed this palette because I wanted everything to be in one palette, but if you don't have one palette with all colors, then you can pick and choose from different ones. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and a little bit of the yellow, this one right here, the lightest yellow. As you can see, these are gradient, so I'm just going to grab the lightest yellow, and I'm just going to dip this the tiniest bit because I don't want the focus of the yellow to be on the lid. And you can barely even see it, but yeah, that's what I want. Just a barely there yellow color. And I'm also going to run a little bit of this color on the lower lash line. Okay, so now that we look very weird with just the yellow on our eyes, I'm gonna go with the orange. I didn't even tell you guys the names of this. The yellow is the 103 Inglot eyeshadow rainbow. This is 103, and this is 108. I'm gonna grab the darkest shade of the orange, and I'm just gonna run this all over my eye, like all over. It's gonna be basically a one shadow look. And it's going to be easier to blend because we've already placed that yellow as a transition. Okay, and once I am done with the upper lid, I am moving on to the lower lash line. I'm just going to grab that orange and just run it along the lower lash line like normal and connect it, and then that will be it for eyeshadow. After I'm done with everything, I'm going to go in with a clean brush and just blend everything out one more time. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a yellow shadow, and I'm just going to hit my inner corners with it. Hopefully this looks good. I'm just trying something new, okay? So let's see if this works out. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the white part of this look, and I'm going to go with the Inglot Kohl Pencil in number 6. I'm using a lot of Inglot today, apparently. But yeah, this is a white kohl liner, and I'm just going to run it along my waterline to complete the candy corn vibes. That's what I was going for. Okay, and you guys don't have to do this if your eyes get irritated. Mine get irritated and they already are, but I'm going to disregard that and still do this. I'm going to grab this white Inglot shadow. This is in 375, and I'm just going to set the white liner with this. Okay, and now last but not least, for the eyes, I'm gonna do mascara. You can do a wing liner, no liner, a simple liner. I'm not gonna do any liner. I'm not gonna do any lashes. You could totally do that if you wanna amp up the look. But I'm just gonna use my Monsieur Big mascara by Lancome, and I'm just gonna pile it on. Today, I want my lashes to look kind of spidery to go with the Halloween theme, but yeah, that's what I want, so I'm gonna pile this on. Okay, and yeah, after we have done the mascara, then the eye look is complete. Let's zoom you guys in to see what the hell this is. So these are the eyes close up. As you can see, it's really easy. You only need the orange, the white, and the yellow, and I just achieved that look really easily. So yeah, it looks pretty festive. It's kind of orange, but it's still really easy, and it screams Halloween. Okay, so now we're moving on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna be doing a little contour because you know it's Halloween and whatnot. So I'm gonna be going with go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. This looks very messy, and I'm gonna grab that contour, and I'm gonna be using this like sort of flat-ish brush because my contour brush is dirty and I haven't cleaned it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm using my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 20M. You guys know this is my favorite, and I haven't completely used it up even though I use it almost every day. So yeah, we're just going to add a little bit more bronzer to let that contour blend into my skin more. Okay, last but not least, I'm not going to be adding any blush because I don't feel like this look calls for blush. I'm going to go in with my Becca Champagne Pop. It's the best. And I'm just going to make myself glow because we are glowing candy corn, okay? Not regular, glowy. And after that, it is time for the best part of all, black liquid lipstick. This is gonna be so fun to apply because I'm so good at applying makeup. I have this Sephora lip stain, I think that's what it's called. Wow, it's in black and I can't see shit. This is like a cream lip stain by Sephora. This is a number 28. It's in black. It's really good, and I need something to apply this because I'm not gonna be able to apply it straight out of the bat. I am not talented like that. I'm gonna apply this on my lips. You can literally do black, white, you can do orange, you can do yellow, you can do whatever you want. I just really wanted to do black. I love black lipstick, and I really love Halloween because I can wear black lipstick and nobody can judge me. So we're going in with this one right now, and I'm using a lip brush. It's tiny because I cannot just apply things like this. No. I literally just overlined the shit out of my lips. What the fuck did I just do? Okay, so this is the best my lips are gonna look, I think, and yeah. Let's just apply a little bit of setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter, because we don't want our makeup to go anywhere. We're really spooky and we're loving it, so let's spray this and then we'll be done, okay? And here we have our face complete. Cool bronzer highlight combo. The eyes stand out. The lips are freaking huge. Don't judge me. Up close they look worse than far away, so ignore that. But yeah, this is the face. Super simple look. You can do, you know, your regular foundation routine, and then the rest is this. I don't know how else to explain it, guys. This is the look. Hope you love it. Hope you love it. Anyways, you guys, that is it for the look. I told you it was going to be super easy, except for the lips. They were a little challenging for me, but if you're a pro at lips, it won't be hard. But yeah, it was a super easy look. It was super quick as well. So As I was saying, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It gives me a lot of feedback, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see from me. I'd also like to know what your Halloween costume is if you're celebrating Halloween, or, you know, if you have a cool costume, let me know. I'll be sharing my costume with you guys next week because Halloween is in the next upcoming days. I'm going to show it to you then, but for now, I just want to know what you guys are going to be, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more cool things like this. Not really, but I talk a lot there, and it's kind of fun, so go follow me there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.